You're about to invest a significant amount of money into a new post frame building. So, how can you avoid hidden costs and protect your investment? You'll be making many decisions during the design process of your building, choosing windows, doors, paint colors, and more. One very important decision will determine how long your building will last. Your choice of foundation will have an impact on the life and value of your building. A post frame foundation consists of columns embedded into the ground, but wood in the ground, even chemically treated lumber, will eventually rot, and these are the hidden costs of post frame construction. Repairs average $450 per post, not including related damages or losses. Only permacolumn is guaranteed to never rot. Permacolumn combines the lasting durability of precast concrete with the value of post-frame construction. 3 times stronger than standard concrete. Permacolumn elevates wood up and out of the ground, providing you a permanent foundation that will last for generations to come. Protect the structural integrity of your building investment. Tell your builder you want a permanent foundation. Insist on permacolumn. Build better, build stronger, build to last. Visit us at www.permacolumn.com.